Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to talk about indexing backlinks and how you can index some of your backlinks. So, in this video, how this video will be laid out on indexing backlinks I will show you another method that I have used to index backlinks that involves a site called Blogger. If you're not familiar with Blogger, Blogger is a platform that you can use to host a website of sorts, but it can also be used for indexing backlinks. So I want to go ahead and show you how you too can use Blogger to index backlinks. So I'll give you a how-to, and then at the very end I will give you 3 resources that I have used. Now, just as a small disclaimer, I am not affiliated with the services that I will give you, so it's not a recommendation. I am simply going to show you 3 sites that I've used in the past. If their service has changed since I have used it, that has nothing to do with me. It's not a recommendation. I'm just going to show you 3 services that I've used in the past. So that's going to be at the end of the video. Now, I wanted to go ahead and just point out one simple thing. Not every single backlink will be indexed. Not all backlinks are recognized by Google. Now, with that being said, you may be able to acquire indexation of your backlinks, but the problem happens when keeping your links index. So I run into this question and this problem a lot. Chris, I have 1,000 links that I need to get indexed. First and foremost, I hope that you are not sending 1,000 links to your money site. Now, 1,000 links is completely overboard. And if you're using this many links, I hope that it is for a tier 2 property, a tier 3 property, to power up a guest post or something along those lines. But remember, getting links indexed is not the issue. Getting links to stay indexed is the problem. So I wanted to just throw this out there. Not all of your backlinks are going to get indexed, but more so, not all of your links are going to stay indexed. So I wanted to just touch on this. Let's keep the video going. But first and foremost, let me show you how you can use Blogger to index backlinks. So I have a Blogger. Now, this particular Blogger I use just to put videos on, things of that nature. So I'm not using this particular Blogger to index backlinks, and I wouldn't show that anyway because I would not want to leave and show my footprint, especially publicly. So here's what I will go ahead and do. So here is how it is done. What you'll want to do is head over here. If you have a Blogger, make sure it's completely separate from your website. Okay, make sure that you have a Blogger that's separate from your website because this involves Search Console. Now, you can use Blogger as a primary website. It's also great for maybe inside of a G-Stack to send links through, but we're not going to get into that today. This is simply how to index backlinks, indexing backlinks. So you'll head over here to Layout. This is the first thing that you'll want to do. Now, inside the layout, there's a button here. You can add a gadget. Now, inside of adding this gadget, a box will show up, and these are numerous different features, and they call them gadgets that you can add. But if you were to scroll on down, there's something here called the link list. Now, the link list will display a collection of your favorite sites, blogs, or web pages to your visitors. Now, this is where you will want to insert your links. Now, this is very crucial to the process. So you need to add this gadget to your Blogger, and then you can submit your list inside of there. Now, once that process is done, and remember, this is a free way. At the end, I will show you 3 resources. I'm not affiliated. I'm not giving a recommendation. I am simply showing you 3 resources that I have used in the past that I found success with, that I liked. I'm not recommending. I'm just saying, Here are 3 resources because I have numerous subscribers and people that have asked me, Chris, what have you used if you cannot give a recommendation? Because it's not my service. So I just wanted to make that 100% clear. I'm not putting my name on it. I'm just showing you services that I use. Now, I think that point has been clear, but you're going to add link list to Blogger, okay? So once Blogger, and it's completely separate from your website. This is its own standalone entity. You'll add the link list, and you could create your pages and do whatever. I'm just showing you the process of getting links indexed. Now, Blogger gets crawled quite frequently. So once this link list is established, you've added your links in, the very next step is you will want to go over to your settings. Inside of your settings, if you scroll down, there is a section here that says Google Search Console. Now, you'll hit the edit button and it will take you over to the Webmaster Tools. And then this, once everything has been established, you've created the page, you've added your link list, you've created numerous other pages, you filled out your description, added your photos, I mean everything, just like a normal site. Then once you get inside of the Search Console, then you'll ask for indexation just like any other site, and your links will be crawled. So this is one method for getting links indexed that is completely free for you to use. And this is a method that I have used that has been very successful. Now let's move into 3 resources that I have used in the past. I'm not giving a recommendation. I am simply showing you these resources. You can try them for yourself. You could just brush them off. It's completely up to you. Now, if you just wanted the initial free version, you could sign off the video now. It's been wonderful and thank you for watching, but let's go ahead and get into these resources. So 3 sources that I've used in the past is 1. This is a site that I have used in the past. It is called Speed Links. Now, they have numerous plans. They have numerous features, things that you can use. I'm not affiliated, but this is one resource that I have used in the past that was absolutely wonderful in the past. I'm not sure about now. Now, let's move to the very next resource. Now, another resource that I have used in the past is a service and a tool called G-Indexer. Now, it looks like they have updated 3/12 of 2019, so you can take a look here. This is called G-Indexer. Again, another wonderful resource that I want to mention. Now, moving on, this is a free platform. It is called Drop My Link. Now, on Drop My Link, as you can see here, it was featured on Quick Sprout, Pro Blogger, and Niche Hacks. So you can go ahead and take a look at this, and how this is built is it will give you a resource. I'm not going to get into everything that it does, but sign up. It's completely free, and you can have a look for yourself. So in today's video, just to wrap everything up, I have given a completely free way to get links indexed using the Blogger platform. And then I wanted to go ahead and give you 3 resources that I've used in the past: Drop My Link, G-Indexer, and Speed Links. Now, again, these are not recommendations. I'm just giving you some resources. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have questions about link indexing, backlink indexing, SEO, black hat SEO, white hat SEO, gray hat SEO, social media, PBNs, I mean, really, anything digital marketing related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next backlink indexing video. Have a wonderful day.